Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me and giving me support. I so appreciate it. We are working on the Tim Holtz copy of the Tim Holtz Travel Folio, and this is part 3. We've completed the bones of the folio. Now we're going to start working on the pages inside, because I want more than just flat pages. I want to have pockets and tucks and that type of stuff. And I'm going to start with the back page so that as I build, I can maintain and see that I'm keeping that staggered look all the way through. And the paper I got to go with this, now this base paper that I put down here, in case you want to know, is from Artie Mays, and it's the one she did with Tracy Fox, Love Junk Journals, Nature's Remedy. And I like the background because it's interesting, but it's also very muted, and you can add other things to it. So that's kind of why I put this down as the base papers. And then I looked for some botanical type papers that I felt could really go nicely with this, and I found these lovely digitals at Journal Centric. Really like these. These are just beautiful. And they are also collaged, but they're just a little bit more dramatic than the Remedy paper. So they kind of stand out, but still, you can still put stuff over it. And so I just really like these. These is what I'm going to be using. Now for the back page here, the very last page here, I'm going to use this tab as a tuck spot. So I've cut 2 pieces of paper. I'm trying to see how these went now. I believe they went like this. Yeah, they went like this. And these papers here are, these are 3 3/4 by, of course, your 8 inches. So these like 3 3/4 inch wide. And they fit back here just nicely, just leaving a little bit of room. Right here, just leaves a little bit of room. And then what I'll do is I'm going to sew around all 3 sides on this one. And then I'm going to glue here and here so that this can be a tuck spot. And then this here can be a pocket. So let me go do that. Now, of course, you could just glue it all the way around, but I sewed it. And so now I'm just going to put probably a good, maybe 3/8 of an inch even, 1/4 of an inch at least, over here of glue, just so I want to make sure these sides stay glued down well. And we'll just place that in there, kind of line it up here, and just glue that down. And so now we have that really fun little tuck spot there, or pocket even. And then we have the pocket on the inside there. So that is that page, and then we'll be filling those up. And I've decided to speed up the rest of the video and put it to music so you can see how I build those first 2 tabs. And that way it'll go a little faster than it was going, so I put it to music, and if you need to, you may need to turn it down. I've tried to control the volume of that, but we'll just get started with it. All right, I sew down the pocket area. that's all for today. And the next time we get together, we'll be working on the other pages. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.